Hello friends, today we will learn about farm animals. Let's start. Which animal is the pig? The pig is here. What sound does the pig make? The pig says oink oink. Which animal is the cat? The cat is here. What sound does the cat make? The cat says meow meow. Which animal is the dog? The dog is here. What sound does the dog make? The dog says bow wow bow wow. Which animal is the chick? The chick is here. What sound does the chick make? The chick says choo choo. Which animal is the mouse? The mouse is here. What sound does the mouse make? The mouse says chick chick. Which animal is a hen? The hen is here. What sound does the hen make? The hen says quack 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 quack. Which animal is the cow? The cow is here. What sound does the cow make? The cow says moo moo. These are all the farm animals: pig, hen, sheep, dog, cow, chick, goat, horse, cat, and mouse is also a domestic animal. So friends, we hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.